Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best sister gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show your appreciation for the special bond you share, and finding that perfect present can sometimes feel like a quest. Whether she's your confidante, your partner in crime, or the one who always knows how to make you laugh, a well-chosen gift speaks volumes about your love and understanding. This video is your ultimate guide to discovering unique and memorable gifts that will make her feel cherished and celebrated, ensuring you find something she'll absolutely adore. Number 5. Sister Gift Keychain Jewelry. A sister is a special gift, a constant companion. She's there to ensure you never have to walk alone in life. Looking for a meaningful present? This is an ideal choice for any occasion. Celebrate her birthday or the holiday season with a gift that truly shows you care. This thoughtful item is designed to be given from one sister to another, strengthening your bond. It serves as a beautiful reminder of the unique and unbreakable connection you share. Show your sister how much she means to you with this lovely piece of jewelry. What we like? This is a heartfelt gift that speaks volumes about your bond. If you're looking for a way to tell your sister she's never alone, this is the perfect choice. It's a constant reminder of your connection, ideal for any occasion. What people say? It is good quality and perfect size. Useful and pretty. She loved it. It's well made and quite pretty. Number 4. Buioata Sister Puzzle Piece Acrylic Plaque. Looking for a special gift for your sister? This engraved acrylic puzzle piece is a heartfelt way to show your love. It's designed with warm words and beautiful elements, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's her birthday, Mother's Day, or any special day, this gift is sure to delight. It's a thoughtful present for friends, sisters, and besties alike. Made from high-end, scratch-resistant acrylic, this piece is built to last. Its smooth surface and vivid, non-fading patterns make it a joy to behold. This decorative plaque isn't just a gift, it's a beautiful addition to any room. It stands on its own, adding a touch of sophistication to bookshelves, desks, and tables. We've carefully crafted this gift to ensure your sister's satisfaction. With its exquisite design and high quality, it's a gift that truly shows you care. Contact us with any questions. What we like? This gift is designed to be a beautiful keepsake and a lovely addition to her home decor. If you want to surprise your sister with a personalized message that expresses your love, this is a wonderful option. It's perfect for sisters who appreciate thoughtful and decorative presents. What people say? This is a great gift for my sister. She loved it. The design is beautiful and it works perfectly. It's a unique and thoughtful present that she will cherish. Number 3. Soopau 32 Bronze Wind Chimes for Sister. Express your deepest love for your sister with this beautifully crafted wind chime. Let the gentle melodies remind her of your affection every time the wind blows. Made from exquisite bronze with a retro feel and modern craftsmanship, this piece is both artistic and durable. Its 32-inch size is perfect for any space, indoors or out. Experience tranquility with its clear and melodious sound. It creates a relaxing atmosphere, bringing peace whether hung in the garden, on the balcony, or by a window. This wind chime is more than just a decoration, it's a symbol of warmth and nature for her home. Its elegant design and fresh tone make it a special gift. Looking for a unique birthday or holiday gift? This wind chime is a meaningful present that becomes a part of her daily life, creating warm memories. Engraved with a heartfelt message, it says, "Sister, I hope every time you hear the wind, it reminds you how much I love you." A constant reminder of your bond. What we like? This offers a unique way to send a message of love through gentle sounds. If you're looking for a gift that brings tranquility and a touch of nature to her space, this is an excellent selection. It's ideal for sisters who enjoy relaxing atmospheres and beautiful home accents. What people say? I was very impressed with the look, the sound, and the quality of this chime. It's a beautiful gift. Beautiful. I hung this on my front patio. The sound is so peaceful. Number 2. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Unwind after a long day and melt away stress. These steamers are designed to help you find your calm and peace. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Surprise the special women in your life with a unique self-care experience they'll love. Infused with natural essential oils, they promote mental clarity and a sense of well-being. Breathe deep and feel refreshed. Simply place one in your shower and let the steam activate the soothing aromas. Enjoy a moment of pure bliss. This convenient 6-pack ensures you have plenty of opportunities for relaxation. Enjoy multiple moments of tranquility. What we like? This provides a spa-like experience right in her shower. If your sister needs a way to unwind and de-stress after a long day, this is the perfect gift. It's designed for those who appreciate moments of self-care and relaxation. What people say. The mug is a great size, holding a generous amount of coffee. The design is beautiful and the print quality is excellent, making it a standout gift. It's a sturdy and well-made mug that feels durable and comfortable to hold. Number 1. DUMBEN Hidden Message Bracelet. Discover a unique bracelet designed to hold a special, hidden message. It's a personal keepsake that carries your thoughts and feelings. Looking for a meaningful gift? This bracelet is an ideal choice for women, celebrating friendship and sisterhood. Show your loved ones how much they mean to you. Strengthen your connections with this beautiful piece of jewelry. It's more than just an accessory, it's a symbol of your unique friendship and bond. Express your appreciation with this unique friendship jewelry. It's a thoughtful way to remind your best friend or sister of your enduring connection. Make birthdays and special moments unforgettable. This bracelet is a perfect gift for any woman, friend, BFF, or sister, adding a touch of personal sentiment. Choose a gift that truly speaks from the heart. This bracelet offers a blend of style and sentiment, making it a cherished present for any occasion. What we like? This offers a subtle yet meaningful way to convey a special message. If you want to give a gift that's both fashionable and deeply personal, this is a great pick. It's perfect for friends or sisters who love unique jewelry with a hidden sentiment. What people say. The bracelet itself is well made, comfortable to wear, and looks stylish while still being subtle. The hidden message adds a playful, fun twist that made everyone laugh when I showed it to my friends. The funny saying engraved on the inside was a huge hit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.